In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can turn on 5G on your iPhone. Now, before we start, if you are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now, let us begin. So the first step is go to your settings, and after you're on your settings, go to cellular option, tap on cellular, and here you will see your cellular settings. Now go to your cellular data options, and after you're there, you will see the voice and data option. Tap on voice and data, and here you will see different options. Now if you have 5G right here, tap on 5G and your phone will use 5G, but if you don't have it, you can just select LTE or 3G. Now yeah, that is basically how you do it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helped you guys. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.